The cryptocurrency adventure for kids, an exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Written by Arthur Kwame. Chapter 1, Introduction to Cryptocurrency. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a special type of money called cryptocurrency. It was different from the money that mommy and daddy used to buy things like toys and ice cream. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses special computer code to keep it secure. Chapter 2, The Story of Bitcoin. One of the most popular types of cryptocurrency is called Bitcoin. It was created in 2009 by a person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. People use Bitcoin just like they would use regular money to buy things online, but it's also special because it can be bought and sold on special websites called exchanges. Chapter 3, The Magic of Blockchain. The technology that makes Bitcoin possible is called blockchain. It is a big digital book that keeps track of every single Bitcoin transaction that has ever happened. Each page in this digital book is called a block, and it's linked to all the other pages called a chain. Chapter 4, The Arrival of Ethereum. Another popular cryptocurrency is called Ethereum, or ETH for short. It was created in 2015 by a person named Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum is similar to Bitcoin in that it can be used to buy things and traded on exchanges. It is also special because it also allows people to create their own digital assets and programs called smart contracts on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Chapter 5, Keeping Your Cryptocurrency Safe. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are stored in a digital wallet, which is like a virtual piggy bank. You can send and receive Bitcoin and Ethereum just like you would send an email. It's important to keep your digital wallet safe and only use it with people and places that you trust. Chapter 6, The Future of Cryptocurrency. Nowadays, more and more businesses are starting to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum as a form of payment. Some people even use them to invest and save for the future, just like stocks and real estate. The future of cryptocurrency is bright and full of possibilities. Cryptocurrency is a magical and exciting type of money. Just like any type of money, it is important to be careful and only use it with people that in places that you trust. Always ask mommy and daddy before using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency. The end.